A robbery took place in a home. The owner of the house informed the police about it. The police carried out its investigation and finally came to a conclusion that it wasn't the fault of the robbers, rather, it was the owner's fault who kept such an expensive thing without any locking system. That means he handled it very carelessly. So, I want to talk to you girls. Aren't we precious as those jewels? Allah has made us so beautifully. We are unique in every way. So, if we go out like that, wearing indecent clothes, then it's like an invitation to the opposite sex to come and do wrong to us. And this will be considered as more of our faults. But instead, if we dress up Islamically and read proper dua before leaving home, then Allah and His angels are always there to protect us. Don't you agree to this?